In this video, I'm going to show you how to construct and compare the truth value of converse, inverse, and contrapositive of an implication. Still remember what is implication? Implication will have the keyword if, then. So if the statement is if P, then Q. So converse is if Q, then P. We just write the first information at the back and second information at the front. That is converse. Whereas the inverse, I will refer to the statement here. Okay, so if P, then Q. So the inverse is if not P, then not Q. And to form contrapositive, you see converse C, contrapositive also C. So from converse, I just write if not Q, then not P. That is contrapositive. To know further, let us look at question number 1. Write the converse, inverse, and contrapositive of the following implications. If k is a negative number, then k is less than 0. So the statement is, if k is a negative number, then k is less than 0. I just copy down from here. Okay, converse. K is a negative number is P. K is less than 0 is Q. So the converse is, you write Q at the front and P at the back. If K is less than 0, then K is a negative number. Inverse, just now I mentioned already, you follow the statement. Only the P you put, not P. Q you put, not Q. So the inverse is, if K is not a negative number, then K is not less than 0. For contrapositive, I purposely put red color for C. So you refer to converse. If K is less than 0, so you change to if K is not less than 0. Then K is a negative number, so you change to K is not a negative number. So contrapositive, if K is not less than 0, then K is not a negative number. Now we try another question. Write the converse, inverse, and contrapositive of the following implication. If Q equals 4, then Q plus 7 equals 11. Q equals 4 is P. Q plus 7 equals 11 is Q. Now, what is the converse of this statement? If Q plus 7 equals 11, then Q equals 4. Still remember how to form inverse? You refer to statement. Only here equals, you change to not equal. Okay, so the sentence is, if Q not equals 4, then Q plus 7 not equals 11. For contrapositive, refer to which sentence? We refer to converse. Only thing is, now equals, you change to not equals to. So the contrapositive is, if Q plus 7 not equals 11, then Q not equals 4. Before we determine the truth value of converse, inverse, and contrapositive of an implication, let us learn what is truth value table for implication. Okay, now I show you the simple example so that you understand what is truth value of implication. The first sentence, if it is raining, then I'm using umbrella. So antecedent is true because I said it is raining. Consequence true. I promise I'm using umbrella. So truth value is true. Next sentence. If it is raining, then I'm not using umbrella. It is raining. True. But I promise I will use umbrella. So now I'm lying because I'm not using umbrella. So this is false. So truth value is false. The next sentence, if it is not raining, then I'm not using umbrella. It is not raining is false. I'm not using umbrella. False also. I base on the first sentence here. I promise if it is raining, I'm using umbrella. So now this is the opposite of the true. So not raining, so false. Here also opposite of the true. I'm not using umbrella. So what is the truth value of it? I only promise if it is raining, then I'm using umbrella. But so in this case, it is not raining, it doesn't matter I'm using umbrella or not. The truth value is true. Okay, next example. If it is not raining, then I'm using umbrella. Not raining, false. I'm using umbrella, true. I only promise if it is raining, then I'm using umbrella. So it is not raining, doesn't matter I want to use umbrella or not. The truth value is true. So if you look at this table, true, antecedent true, consequence true, truth value is true. Antecedent true, consequence false, truth value is false. But if antecedent and consequence false, the truth value is true. The antecedent false, consequence is true, so truth value is true. So only one false, that is antecedent true, consequence false, then the truth value is false. Okay, now let us try to answer the question. The question is determine the truth values of segment, converse, inverse, and contrapositive of the implication. Okay, the statement is if 5 times 2 equals 10, this is true. Then 5 minus 2 times 4 equals 12. This is false. Okay, so antecedent is true and consequence is false. So what is the truth value of this implication? True, false. The truth value is false. Now, converse. If 5 minus 2 times 4 equals 12, then 5 times 2 equals 10. So this one false. This is true. So antecedents now is 5 minus 2 times 4 equals 12. So it's false. So right, false. And consequence 5 times 2 equals 10 is true. So antecedent false and consequence true, we refer to here. Antecedent true, false, consequence true. So the truth value is true. Still remember how to get inverse? We refer to the statement and is equals to not equal. So if 5 times 2 not equals 10, then 5 minus 2 times 4 not equals 12. So now antecedent is false and consequence is true. False true will obtain truth value true. Contrapositive, you refer to converse. Equals tends to not equals. So if 5 minus 2 times 4 not equals 12, then 5 times 2 not equals 10. So if antecedent true, consequence false, of course the truth value is false. So again, I want to mention only one false here. For implication, only antecedent true, consequence false, then the truth value is false. The other truth value all true. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.